Good morning, boys and girls. We are still talking about digraphs, and we're going to use my book of digraphs book in just a second. But remember that digraphs are two letters separated, but they go together to make one different sound. Okay? So today we're going to look at the digraph CK. When we look at this word, we see CK right here. And if I were trying to sound this out, I don't make the C and the K sounds when I sound this word out. They go together and they make a digraph, and it's just one K sound. Not okay? So anytime we see CK in a word, it's just k, not k. So if we have this word, ch, ek, okay? So there's 5 letters in this word, but there's only 3 sounds. Ch, ek. Okay? So remember, CK makes k sound. In our book of digraphs, we are going to look through here, and we are going to find some CK words. If you have a highlighter, or remember, you need to use a color that is light enough so that way you can still see the words. Let's read this page first. The duck had on a sock. He sure does. Let's read it one more time together. The duck had on a sock. Good job. Can you find CK on this page before I do? Go ahead. Take a second. The duck. Here's CK, right? So I'm going to highlight that. Had on a sock. Here's another CK. Great job. Okay, so I do want you to keep this book in your book box because we're not done with it yet. But before you put it in your book box, I want you to start over at the beginning. My book of digraphs. The sheep was on the shovel. And I want you to read it. The duck had on a sock. And while you're reading it, I want you to find the digraph CK. The chicken sat on the branch. Digraphs can be in any part of the word. The whale blew on the whistle. Okay, so I want you to keep reading this, and as you're reading, I want you to make sure that you're looking for the CK digraph and highlighting that anytime that you see it. And I hope that you have a great day.